Hey, what's up? I don't know, it's been a while. What's up, my name is Ian, I'm back with a brand spanking new video. I'm gonna be vlogging for the next 5 days. 4 days. Yeah, 4 days. For the next 4 days, because I'm gonna be traveling alone for the first time. I've traveled alone before to places, but this is gonna be the first time I'm actually gonna be traveling alone to a place I've never been to. So every time I travel alone, it would be in places I've been to basically, so I don't really get scared or getting lost when I travel alone there. This is gonna be the first time I'm gonna be traveling to Mindanao, in Siargao, and I've never been there before. Never been to Mindanao at all. So this is gonna be a fun experience. I'm gonna be a backpacker, not really a backpacker because I'm not gonna bring a backpack, but yeah, I think that's it. My hair looks horrendous, I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for the room, it's messy. My bags are, yeah, I've packed, I'm ready to go. I'm kind of nervous. I'm gonna eat first. Currently 11. I'm gonna go to the airport. My flight is at 1:50 and I'm not making sense at all, so I'm gonna see you guys later when I'm sure I don't know. So 1, 2. I landed about 20 minutes ago. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm going. I saw this really nice hostel 40 minutes away from the airport. Yeah, I think I'm gonna check it out. It's currently 4 p.m. So yeah. And also, that was one of the roughest flights I've ever had my whole entire life. So I found a place to stay at. It's called the Tropical Temple, and it was trending on Facebook. So hi Ate, she's very kind. Thank you Ate. It has been a rough day.
This is the only one available.
Yeah, I can do this. That's right.
It's okay.
Yeah.
What?
Do I just pay when I check out?
Maybe after.
Anyway, right now I'm walking nowhere and there are tons of dogs. I'm just trying to act normal right now because these motherfucking dogs be... I'm gonna see you guys later because I really need to find somewhere to eat because I'm hungry as f. So I'm currently at Mama's Grill. It's one of the famous barbecue places here in Siargao. If you're wondering why it's super dark, currently blackout. Apparently this is normal, it happens from time to time, especially on islands like Siargao. So anyway, not a lot of people anymore because it's currently 9:05. So yeah. It's beautiful out here. Look at this. All just trees and shit. Anyway, right now I'm headed to the public market for the meeting place for the island hopping trip. I'm gonna be going on a tri-island hopping trip and to the Saharan cave. I woke up late because I went out last night. I got home 1 a.m. and my foot hurts because I have a wound in my foot. I can't walk properly. At the public market, and this is apparently where all the island hopping shit it starts.
Today, si Elnor po, siya po yung mga sikat sa tour niya today. Okay, so muna tayo sa Soton Cave. Almost 2 hours yung biyahe pupunta doon. Doon na po tayo mag-lunch. After the Soton Cave, kasi po tayo sa Island. Needed, tapos yung Island Velas. Okay, matapos yung tour natin mga 5 to 5:30. So yun lang, happy day. Ingat tayong laro. Sa mas. Ang mas po, 150 a day.
not for you. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Have you been to Coron?
No. Look at this. It looks like a picture out from Google. I'm running out of battery, so. We're gonna get in the cave, that small little hole. What am I doing?
Babababain ang ulo ng konti. Yan. Ang cellphone sir, ibababa. Huwag nang mag-touch sa bato ha. Yup. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh shit, it's lighting up, guys. This is weird as hell.
Sige sir, picturean muna kita sir.
This is creepy, right? It's lighting up. We're gonna do some cliff jumping.
Oh, saglit lang muna sir, sabay lang tayo sir, sabay lang.
Okay.
Sa inyo ng cellphone oh. Pwede ko kayo dito picturean. Ako muna mauna, i-background natin yung sa likuran. Is jump, tingin mo na bago jump. Sige.
1, 2, 3.
Ma'am.
So we have free lunch with our tour. I'm getting lunch first. Yep. So now we're gonna head out and proceed to Tri Island tour. Look at that, it's clear as hell. Like the fact that you don't have a job. Right now we are at Naked Island and it's literally naked because there aren't any trees in here. So yeah, it's called Naked Island but nobody's naked. Like what the hell is that? That's such a scam. So my phone broke. Alright y'all, so I'm kind of lost right now. My phone is broken. Kind of pissed me off. But I rented a motorbike and now I'm not exactly sure where to go because I'm trying to look for a Cloud9 and I'm trying to look for a place to eat at. I don't really know where to eat. So let's see where this motorcycle takes us, you know? I kind of want to drink as well, you know, get drunk and shit, but I don't know where, like. So right now I'm currently at Aventino's Pizza. I didn't really want to eat pizza tonight, but I couldn't decide on anything. Apparently this is one of like the best in town. And my phone's still dead. It's still not working, so I'm probably gonna get some drink first. And then when I've had like a little drink, and it's thin crust. And it's only 150 pesos. So you guys should visit. Let's do a taste test. I mean, it's good for what it is.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
I've had better though, so. Anyway, see you guys later. I'm gonna finish my food. Right now, I am headed to Cloud 9. I was gonna catch the sunrise, but I woke up too late. I mean, actually, I woke up on time. Then I slept again. So, the sun is fully up now. Looks beautiful. I'm just kidding. Well, on the way there, it looks beautiful. Recently, there was a tournament held here, and locals told me that there was so much people. There we go. That's it. That's the iconic spot right there. Actually, it's behind that. I can see the waves now, guys. It's much better than the ones I've seen before. Oh, there it is. That's the sunrise. It's so beautiful out here. I wasn't able to like go to the actual sunrise because I woke up late, and the waves here are fucking amazing. Makes me want to surf, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow because today's my last day. I have to visit all the places I can visit now. So right now I'm currently at Siargao. I'm gonna try to see if they're open now so I can get some acai bowls. Shit, it's closed. They're gonna open up 6:30. It's nice here. Look. So I'm currently at Shaka, and Shaka is one of the most famous breakfast places because they serve really good acai bowls. I asked the people and from the hostel I was staying, they all recommended Shaka for breakfast. Right now the agenda is to try to go to a land tour, but I'm gonna try to get my phone fixed first. I'm gonna be surfing tomorrow. Yeah, I partied the first night, the second night. There you go, y'all. This is a famous Shaka bowl. This is the bomb dia, by the way. So this right here is called the Pacifico Beach, and it's more laid back than the usual beaches in Siargao. It's calmer, less people, and you can still surf here. It's like a toned down version of Cloud 9, but the waves are still pretty big. It's really nice here. We're gonna go to Sugbo Lagoon now. Just stopped here to see the beach.
What the fuck?
The iconic mountain views spot. I'm gonna take pictures because it's beautiful as well. So I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. So we're on our way to Sugbo Lagoon. The iconic jumping cliff. So I'm currently at Mapupunko something, but like the rock pool and shit. So cool thing about this place is it only becomes a pool when it's low tide, because when it's high tide, then it stops being a pool. It stops being a pool. What the fuck am I saying?
I still love you.
I'll see you in a bit. Goodbye. Okay, so that wasn't actually the Instagram spot yet. This is the Instagram spot. This is amazing though. I'm gonna take pictures now. So I'm currently at Mapupunko something. So the thing about this rock pool is that it only becomes a pool when it's low tide, because when it's high tide then it's covered up. You can see what I
What the fuck?
It's deep as fuck. Place is amazing, but I don't have anyone to take pictures for me, so.
What the fuck?